Welcome to the channel, guys. Tiago here, CarFix. Next Wednesday, every Wednesday actually, is going to be a Q&A session that I'm going to be answering some questions. So if you guys have any questions about 6.5 diesel or any other questions, I'll be able to post a video on Wednesdays to tell you guys about the questions that you guys have about the trucks, all right? I noticed that there's a lot of questions, so I'll be answering some of the questions on next Wednesday video. So post it down below, your videos, questions. As you know, most of our videos here belongs to 6.5 just because I own the truck for about like 4 years now. So yeah, I got a lot of things that I can answer that answer your questions. So yeah, comment down below, like this video, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday.